afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 12. The instructions here says that we should choose the word that best complete this sentence. And the sentence says, the appellate court has dashed the decision of the lower court. When we talk of appellate court, it's a legal term. It means high court, or a court that is higher than the lower court, a court that is lower than the lower court. So, and option A says obstructed. Obstructed means delay. It's also a verb, or hinder. Then option B means nullified. Nullified means cancel or prevent. Then neutralize simply means make it inefficient. When you make something inefficient. Then balance means harmonized. So, and what normally takes place between higher court and lower court is that the only thing that can happen is that the higher court will nullify the decision of the because it said decision. It means that the verdict has already been taken. By the lower court. The lower court has taken judgment already. So when the accused person was dissatisfied about the decision of the lower court, they moved to the higher court. So it happens in court proceedings. Then, and what will now happen is that the higher court that case was taken to, or the case was filed to, we have to nullify the previous decision or verdict. So it is nullified. Nullify is the correct option, B. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.